Huawei has officially launched the new Watch GT 7 and Watch GT 7 Pro, bringing a fresh update to its popular GT lineup. The Watch GT 7 starts at 1,588 yuan in China, while the GT 7 Pro starts at 2,688 yuan, which works out to roughly $220 and $374 respectively. So, what do you actually get with these new watches, and what's changed this generation? Starting with the standard Watch GT 7, Huawei is offering it in both 41mm and 46mm sizes, with a more lifestyle-focused design and several new color options. The Pro model takes a more premium approach with a titanium case, sapphire glass, and a ceramic rear, giving it a more rugged and high-end feel. Both watches feature AMOLED displays with up to 3,000 nits of brightness, so outdoor visibility should be excellent. One of the biggest highlights is battery life. The 46mm versions of both watches can reach up to 21 days in power-saving conditions, while typical use is rated at around 12 days. That means Huawei is still focusing heavily on endurance rather than making you charge the watch every night. Huawei has also put a lot of attention into fitness and outdoor tracking. The GT 7 series introduces improved training features, updated readiness and recovery insights, and a new sunflower positioning system designed to improve location accuracy. Runners and cyclists get more detailed workout information, while trail runners can use elevation-based guidance to better manage their pace. The GT 7 Pro takes the sports experience further with new Pro Ski tracking. It can analyze things like turns, turn frequency, and G-forces, while Huawei says ski resort maps cover thousands of resorts around the world. The Pro also adds more specialized golf features and a free diving mode with support down to 40 meters, along with an ECG sensor and depth sensor. Another interesting addition is Huawei's focus on cycling and running data. The watches can provide more detailed information such as running power, vertical movement, and ground contact balance, while cyclists can use route guidance, elevation profiles, climb information, and turn alerts. These upgrades make the GT 7 series more useful for people who want deeper training information without moving to Huawei's more expensive Watch Ultimate range. Overall, the new GT 7 series is more about refining Huawei's formula than completely redesigning it. The standard GT 7 is aimed at people who want long battery life, strong health tracking, and a stylish everyday smartwatch, while the GT 7 Pro adds premium materials and more specialized sports features for serious outdoor users. The biggest story this generation is really the combination of long battery life, improved positioning, and deeper training tools, rather than a completely new smartwatch experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this first look at the new Huawei Watch GT 7 and GT 7 Pro, make sure to like the video and subscribe to SmartWatch Radar for more smartwatch updates and reviews.